Good morning. Friendship with lovebird. Once upon a time, a little lovebird singing a sweet song on the flower bunch. But she was so little, this reason no one can love her in the garden. Fairy Queen observed all these things and come to the lovebird lovely feelings. A miracle thing then just happened. The lovebird became a beauty queen. Suddenly comes there a handsome prince and makes sweet friendship with beauty queen. Fairy queen become very happy to see their friendship so quickly. Friendship is the lovely things which to make our life become happy and green. Lovebird said to thank you fairy. Now I am going to palace quickly. Thank you.